Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add fraction multiplication equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open our Word document. Now we want to add or insert fraction multiplication equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Equation drop down menu and go to the More Equation from office.com and find the fraction multiplication equation. Here the fraction multiplication equation, we click it to insert. Then we can see we insert the equation very easily. Now we want to edit and add more equation. In this equation, click the equation box and edit it. Now we can see we edit the equation very easily. You can add multiple or extra equation. Go to the design menu, then click the fraction option, then add multiple equation. Now we can see we added and edit the equation very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.